Build Your Own Volcano by National Geographic.
What are you going to do today?
We're going to show you how it erupts.
And do you like this product?
I really like it.
And why do you like this product?
Because the volcano will erupt.
Slowly. That's it. Leave it. That's it. What is it coming out?
It's really reaction power.
It's representing lava?
Yeah. Fake lava. Fake lava.
So, what do you think about this Build Your Own Volcano by National Geographic?
I really like it. The kit also comes with a book that tells you all about the volcano. The 3 parts of the volcano are magma chamber, central vent, and summit crater.
Good job.